Welcome to Leatherman, the world's biggest manufacturer of handheld multi-tools.
In fact, Tim Leatherman, the founder of Leatherman Tools, is the inventor of the pliers-based pocket multi-tool known the world over simply as a Leatherman. The precise engineering that Leatherman is known for happens right here at our company's headquarters in Portland, Oregon.
A typical Leatherman multi-tool goes through approximately 300 different steps during production. The first step begins at the punch press department. This is where the parts first take their shape. Think of a giant cookie cutter in which all of the parts are cut. We call it blanked, out of coiled steel. All cut or blanked parts of a Leatherman tool are made of high-quality 400 series stainless steel. We use two different blanking processes in this department. The first is a progressive conventional press that blanks, folds, and pierces the part in one step. The second method is fine blanking. This method uses up to 35 different dies or shapes per press. On average, the punch press department blanks approximately 90 different components. After the components have been blanked, they go through large, vibrating bowls that contain ceramic stones and polishing compounds. The parts tumble in the bowls for approximately 14 hours. When they are finished, we use a magnetic separator to remove the metal components from the ceramic material. The mass finishing process removes any burrs and grind lines from the metal and produces a clean, smooth part. In the next step, we grind our screwdriver, awl, and can opener components down to an exact thickness while immersing them in a water-based coolant. Our average tolerances are 5/1000ths of an inch. This stringent requirement makes sure each component fits precisely in our handles during the final assembly stage. Our grinding processes are both automatic and manual. Depending on the component and type of process used, we complete 500 to 3,000 parts per hour. Leatherman is known for our ultra-sharp knives. The knife cell is where we bevel and flat grind our parts to create the knife blade shape. After shaping, the parts are polished to meet our high quality and cosmetic standards. The knife edge is sharpened using a special wheel that's pre-shaped to hone the blade completely and evenly over the entire contour of the edge. Finally, we smooth the edges of the thumb hole and back of the blade to complete the knife. Our pliers are processed in the jaw cell. We start with two jaw halves and join these together through an operation we call riveting. Before they get to this point, several additional processes occur. Coining is a process that flattens the jaws and brings them into precise dimensions. Reaming is another step that ensures every rivet hole and jaw ear is consistent. Once the pliers are riveted, we test every one for proper tension. But we don't stop there. We even test each of our pliers to make sure the wire cutters fit together so precisely that they cut paper. Only then do they pass on to the next steps of grinding, cleaning, and drying. Finally, the pliers move to our state-of-the-art robots where they are sanded and polished. On average, our assembly department builds between 3,000 to 4,000 tools per day. All of Leatherman's assembly operations are manual, requiring one person for each step. The sub-assembly station puts together components to make one unit. The next step is adding glue while installing a pin and a screw. Every tool completed in assembly goes through this operation 4 times to make one complete tool. Today, Leatherman employs over 300 at our 90,000 square foot headquarters. Our attention to detail, precise manufacturing standards, and commitment to quality make us a world leader. In fact, Leatherman products are sold in over 100 countries worldwide, where hunters, fishermen, and extreme outdoor sports enthusiasts put our products to the test in thousands of ways, day in and day out. where working professionals, do-it-yourselfers, handymen, and women keep their trusty Leatherman well within reach. Leatherman, now you're ready.